Hi Steve, big game against Holywell Town tomorrow. What are your thoughts on the game?
Yeah, just before I address that, I'd like to clear up the situation that happened after the Flint game. You know, the rule was you're allowed 5 subs on the bench plus 2 under 19s. In the league, you're allowed 5 subs, any age, and allowed to play any age. In the Nathaniel Cup, you're allowed 3 overaged or senior players, plus the 4th and 5th sub have to be an under 19s. That's on me. I got that mixed up. I'm accountable. I made that decision, you know, without really understanding the rules. I got so, you know, I've met with the players. I've apologised to the players. You know, the effort they put in the performance was first class as always. But I'd also like to apologise to the Seagulls fans who turned out, you know, and who were fantastic again. We've got the best fans in Wales, you know, and they deserve better. You know, it's a mistake I've made. I'll learn from it, you know, and become better and make sure it doesn't happen again. You know, that's on me, and you know, we move forward. But
that's all the fans can ask for, really. I mean,
yeah, well, you know, it's, you know, I'm the one accountable for it, so, you know, we own up. You know, we accept it.
Yeah, we should go again on Friday,
and we move on.
Yeah,
you know, but from the positives from Tuesday was, you know, the performance. You know, Flint are a top tier team. You know, we played them a few weeks ago. We've played Connors Key, we've played Carnarvon. I got them games in pre-season to test it, to see where we're at. And it showed that we were capable of competing in the Welsh Prem with the squad we've got. But Tuesday night was the first competitive game. It weren't a friendly, it was a competitive game, competitive fixture. And we were the better team. We were the better team on the night. The game was a little bit scrappy. But we were the better team on the night, and just looking at the squad, you know, the players who weren't in the squad, you know, who weren't on the bench, we've got strength and depth, and we've got a squad capable of really competing, going and doing stuff in this season, and we've certainly got a squad worthy of competing in the Welsh Prem.
Definitely, yeah. So on to Friday night, Holywell.
Yeah, Holywell. Difficult game. Johnny's recruited well again. You know, they had a bad start last season and really kicked on towards the end of the season. You know, expecting a difficult game. You know what you're going to get. They're going to battle for every ball. You know, it's never easy going there. But like I say, I've just mentioned the squad we've got. You know, the lads, you know, have been working hard, the commitment. You know, we're in training tonight, recovering from Tuesday, ready to go again, preparing for tomorrow night. And, you know, we'll be giving everything, as always. And we'll be going there with a game plan. And, you know, we'll be looking to get a positive result.
Yeah. Well, the fans are all behind you. And let's hope for another good performance tomorrow night and a good result.
Yeah, well, we've got a saying we've got a motto this season. We want to give the fans something to cheer about because, like I've said, we've got the best fans in Wales.
Yeah.
And the first 2 games are anything to go by. They're going to be in for a good ride this season.
Definitely.
Hopefully, there's a few games are more comfortable than the first 2, but no, we're out to win everything and to compete in everything. And that's what we'll be doing. You know, we'll be doing the work through the week, ready for the weekend. And, you know, we look forward to seeing all the Seagulls there tomorrow.
Okay, see you tomorrow night and good luck.
Cheers.
Thank you.